What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can make your TikTok account from private to public. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to go to your TikTok app. After opening your TikTok app, you have to go to your profile. You have to click on this. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after doing so, you have to click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner. So after that, what you can do, you have to click on settings and privacy option in the last option, just like this. You have to click on this. Then you can see here is a bunch of options. What you can do, you have to find the option called privacy. You have to click on privacy just like this. Then you can see here is the option private account. This is turned on. So while this is turned on, your account will be private. And if you want to make your account public, you have to turn this off just like this. To click on this, then you have to click on switch. So this is turned off. Now your account will be public. This is how you can make your private TikTok account to public. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.